Hey, let me show you all touch controls for the Redmi Buds 4 Active. So in this earbuds we got actually 4 different controls. The first I'm gonna show you how it works when you are trying to control the playback of your phone. So I'm talking about the music, for example. So we can play and pause music or videos by using the same gesture on the left and the right earbud. It's actually double tap. Now I'm gonna play this, and if I want to stop playing, pause, do this one more time. Click 2 times. It works the same for the both earbuds. Take a look. And now we got the second gesture. We can actually turn the next song. We have to quickly tap 3 times. Take a look. 1, 2, 3. Next song. Let's do this on the second one. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And the two additional controls we can use for the calls. We can actually answer the phone calls by double tapping on the left or the right earbud like this. Of course, when there's like no incoming call, we are going to control the media, but when you receive call, you can double tap to receive call. If you want to end this call or decline, you have to quickly tap 3 times. When you do this, you will actually end or decline incoming call. It works the same for the left and the right earbud. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.